Location, location, location. This spacious second floor and unit has it all, and with a low monthly HOA. Offering a bright and split/open floor plan with plenty of natural lighting. High vaulted ceilings. Modern stained concrete flooring and tile throughout. No carpets. New air conditioner. Great size bedrooms and closets with built-ins. Huge master bedroom with an oversized walk-in closet and walk-in shower. Updated faucets and shower heads. Breakfast bar and a dining area that overlooks the lake. Neutral colored paint and tastefully accented walls. Extra large balcony to enjoy the sunrises over the lake view, and plenty of space for outdoor living. Great schools, shopping, restaurants and easy access to highways. Here is your opportunity. Do not miss out.